Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to install Eclipse on Windows 11. Firstly, go to eclipse.org/downloads, choose the mirror closest to your location and download the Eclipse installer. Double-click the exe file from your downloads folder, then if prompted with a security warning, click Run and make sure it's signed by Eclipse Foundation. Select your desired Eclipse package and you can use the search bar to scroll or find it. Then click on the package to install. Choose Confirm, then click Install and accept licenses if prompted. Now, once installation finishes, click Launch and select the workspace directory when prompted. This is where your projects will be stored. And you're all set. Eclipse is now ready for coding. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.